Hello, my darlings. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the Marilyn Monroe makeup. Of course, it's not just one makeup that she did throughout her career, but this is basically inspired by the Niagara film because my previous video was about recreating her outfit there. I just wanted to show you how I did the makeup.
So if you'd like to see how to do this Marilyn Monroe makeup, then keep watching. Started with the NYX Bear With Me primer and then went on to apply my foundation. And now we're gonna do the eye makeup. I'm starting with skin colored eyeshadow as a base, and then I'm applying a matte opaque white eyeshadow on top. And now I'm gonna use the Omega eyeshadow by MAC to define the crease and give more depth to the eyes. Let's remember the bedroom eye look of Marilyn. And then I'm applying this eyeshadow. It's called Paradisco by MAC, and it's a peachy eyeshadow with a bit of shimmer, just to make it a little bit warmer, because I noticed that on her eyes there was a warm color as well. And I'm now cleaning up with a bit of concealer and my brush, just to create the shape I want for the eyeliner. Now for the brows. If you've noticed Marilyn Monroe's brows, they were quite pointy and arched and quite long actually. The shape kind of matches my own shape, so I'm just accentuating the point of the arch a little bit more, just to imitate her own shape. Now for the liner, it looks like she has a thin dark brown or black eyeliner on her lids, which I kind of failed to do. I failed the width. I made it a little bit thicker, but I think it's as long as it should be, because we don't see a long wing. And in general, in the 50s, we don't see a long wing in the eyeliner. By the way, if you like my videos, I would love it if you would like to subscribe and like this video. It helps with the algorithm. And let's move on to the classic bedroom eye secret that Marilyn, or I should say her makeup artist, Alan Snyder, Whitey, as he was called, that he used to make this kind of bedroom eye look. He basically created this line that I showed you earlier, that I was applying on my eyes, that goes at the end of the lower lash line downwards. And in the middle between this line and the eyeliner, he used to fill this space with white. I am using a brush and my white jumbo liner by NYX. And after curling my ridiculously straight eyelashes, I will be applying some mascara before I apply my false lashes. That is really important, that you apply your mascara before the false lashes. And oops, I made a boo-boo. Mascara on the lid. Well, we'll take care of that later. It needs to dry before you wipe it. Also, a safer way to do what I'm doing is to use your fingers instead of the tweezers, because it's a little bit dangerous, but I'm actually used to it. Another essential part in Marilyn Monroe's makeup was the contouring. Her makeup artist used to do a specific style of contouring for her nose. She actually had surgery to create her famous button nose, which was so cute and so pretty. And trying to make my huge ugly nose look like hers is a bit of a struggle. But anyways, the makeup artist used to create that shape at her nose to enhance the button shape and also enhance her cheeks. And here I'm trying to recreate her famous and beautiful chin, which was actually a result of implants. How cute do I look? Oh my gosh, imagine if I would go out like this. So yeah, I have to do the necessary blending, because contouring is meant not to be seen. And after the Chico break, let's apply the powder. As you can see, I'm avoiding to apply powder underneath my eyes and in the cheek area because Marilyn actually used to use Vaseline to make her skin look a lot more hydrated and shiny, but my skin is already a bit oily, so I'm not gonna do that. For her lips, she famously used up to 5 different shades of red lipstick to make them look fuller and juicier, and she used to actually overline the bottom lip quite a lot. I'm not doing that because my bottom lip is already quite full. So yeah, but I'm using 2 different shades. This shade, which is Blue Base Red by Huda Beauty, I'm using the edges of my lips, and in the middle I'm going to use a KVD lipstick, which is again blue based red but of a lighter shade. So this will give the lips a fuller, more three-dimensional look. And now I'm cleaning up with a bit of concealer because it's really important for red lipstick to look very precise and clean. I actually have a whole video about red lipstick and its secrets, and I will include the link below. And now I'm doing, of course, the famous beauty mark, but I'm actually doing it on the wrong side. Well, yes, it is actually on the other cheek, but yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry, Marilyn. And now I'm completing this makeup with the third shade of red. It's a bit of a lighter shade of red in a lip gloss, and I'm basically applying it more in the middle. But I want to make the lips look very shiny and very juicy. And that's it. I hope you liked it. And I hope you try it, maybe to go somewhere special or wear something very feminine and beautiful like Marilyn was.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more vintage beauty.